If you're experiencing elbow pain with your chin-ups, I just want to show you a few things or areas that you may need to address to help alleviate that pain. So something to consider when you're doing your chin-up is how you're actually doing them. Try and use your back a bit more. In other words, as you're about to pull, try and have this go on. So a bit of a scapular depression as you pull up to the bar. So you're not just using your biceps and putting all that pressure through your elbow when you're doing your chin up. The other thing is working on your scapular strength. So you're pulling up and pulling your shoulders into your hips and holding at the top, getting that nice and strong. So when you go to initiate doing your chin up, that's what you're doing first. Something else you might need to try is a different angle on your chin up, like this, which might be nicer on the elbow, or just doing it on some rings so there's a bit of movement going on. So you're not in that fixed position. That again is putting all that pressure on your elbows. The other alternative was to do pull-ups instead. Same sort of thing here. Consider doing that first to initiate your pull-up, and we try and aim for chest to bar as best as possible. Lastly, I'll say that elbow pain actually can come from a lack of mobility in your T-spine region. So it's probably worth trying to book in with a good osteopath, chiropractor, or even a physio. Obviously rest is going to be good, but if you're worried about losing your gains, try and work on other things to keep your momentum up.